Hello there! Today I want to show you how you can wish someone a good trip or a safe journey. Yeah, I know, right now people are not traveling so much as they would like, but COVID will be over sooner or later, and hopefully we'll get back to our normal life. Besides all the phrases that I have prepared for you today, you can say not only if a person goes somewhere far or for a long period. You can use some of them if your friend or a family member is going somewhere for a day or even for a couple of hours. Let's start. Here are the most common phrases that you can say if you want to wish someone a good trip or a safe journey. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Have a great trip. Have a great trip. Have a nice trip. Have a nice trip. Have a safe trip. Have a safe trip. Have a nice flight. Have a nice flight. Have a safe flight. Have a safe flight. Have a great journey. Have a great journey. Have a safe journey. Have a safe journey. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. Have a great weekend. Have a great weekend. Have a good holiday. Have a good holiday. Have a great holiday. Have a great holiday. Have a good vacation. Have a good vacation. Have a great vacation. Have a great vacation. Have a good time on your holiday. Have a good time on your holiday. Have a good fun on your holiday. Have a good fun on your holiday. Have a good time on your vacation. Have a good time on your vacation. Have a good fun on your vacation. Have a good fun on your vacation. I hope you'll have a great holiday. I hope you'll have a great holiday. I hope you'll have a great weekend. I hope you'll have a great weekend. I hope you'll have a great vacation. I hope you'll have a great vacation. Take care. Take care. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. All the best. All the best. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. Enjoy your vacation. Enjoy your vacation. Drive carefully. Drive carefully. We'll miss you. We'll miss you. Bon voyage. Bon voyage. So, now you know what you may say if you want to wish a good trip or a nice journey to someone. In the next video, I will teach you some common phrases that people usually say when they welcome someone back from a journey or a vacation. Meanwhile, don't forget to add the lesson to the playlist and watch it later. If you want more such video lessons, please give me the thumbs up or write in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and share this lesson, and I will see you pretty soon in my other lessons. Take care.